this is Christian Dippin' Dishes. Today we're gonna do something requested by a special person, and because we're celebrating the Super Bowl, so let's get started. So first of all, we're gonna cut the chicken. So you wanna be really careful with this because you don't wanna get cut. You can ask for parents for assistance, for help. So yeah. Okay, we're gonna put this, we're gonna put it. So we already cut the roasted chicken, now we're gonna add the cream cheese. All right, now we're gonna add some ranch if you like. So some people like to use blue cheese and some other people like to use ranch. But, you know, I'm crazy, so let's do both. So we're gonna add the Frank hot sauce. So if you don't like too spicy, you can just add like 2 spoonfuls or anything. But, you know, I'm gonna add everything. Yeah. Now we're gonna add the blue cheese. Now we're gonna mix it. So y'all can, you guys can help your parents too, cause this is easy. Just takes a bit of time in preparing. That smells good. Well, there we go. Now we're gonna bake it at 350 degrees. So let's give it a finishing touch and put some shredded cheese on the top. There we go. Now to the oven. Well, we finished it, and remember, it has to look good, smell good, and tastes good. So, remember, like, share, subscribe, and let's see who wins. I'm going for Tampa.